Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Expect the market to open lower on account of Asian markets, US index, future and overnight US markets decline after the White House said President Trump will implement tariffs on many Chinese goods amounting to 104%. To start with our first segment for Wednesday, 9th April 2025, Nifty index opened gap up by 285 points, and after the minor slip in the first hour, it recovered for most part of the day. It managed to inch towards 22,700, which was followed by some consolidation towards the end to finally close with gains of around 370 points. It formed a small-bodied bullish candle on the daily frame with longer wicks on either side and negated its lower highs formation on the last 5 trading sessions. India Wix was down by another 10% to 20.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.84. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 21,800 to 23,000 zones, while immediate range is in between 22,200 to 22,800 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 4,994 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 3,097 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 24%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 22,500 for strength to commence towards 22,700 and 22,850 levels, while supports have shifted lower to 22,222 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 50,250 for a bounce towards 51,250, while a hold below the same could see some weakness towards 49,750. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Hoodco, JMR Airports, HPCL, SBI Card, MCX, Berger Paints and Nestlé, while some weakness could be seen in IGL, Siemens, Wipro and Vedanta. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.